how easy is it to do that? So there's a stream over here, and let me turn on my Google map. Let me turn off all these other maps as well. So I turn off this post-div, and there we go. So there's a little roadway crossing here, and I want to look at that roadway crossing. Now this is just a bicycle path here, but how do you analyze it, right? So I'm going to go over to my routing reaches and just say draw routing reach, and have it automatically name it, have it automatically name our junctions, tell it what my terrain surface is, tell it what our cross section is going to be. I'm going to just keep it trapezoidal here, keep things simple. Click on draw and just start from the upstream end, work your way downstream. And if you make a mistake like I just did, not a big deal, hit your backspace key, it backs you up. And we'll go ahead and go along that stream channel here. And I'll end it. Let's say I want to come in here, I'll just right click, say done. Right, and I'm going to add another one, so just click on draw. I'll go on the downstream side and just draw this in. Go back up in here. Right, and maybe go down over here, something like this, right? And then just end it here. Say done. And now let's say I want to also consider this, there's like a little stream coming in here, right? So I can hit draw and start down here. And notice as soon as I get near that reach, it's tracking me, right? It knows I want to split it. So I come in here, right click, say done, and it automatically splits that reach for me, automatically updates all my links. Let's go and put in a roadway crossing. So we'll go over to roadway crossing. We'll just say draw roadway crossing, have it automatically name it for us, tell it what our terrain source is, tell it what diameter pipes we want to put in. I'm going to put in 1 meter diameter, that's about 36 inches. Click on draw. Come in here. Notice as I come close to that, it'll automatically snap for me. It'll snap onto there, take it over here. It pops it in there, go and close that up. Now I want to put in my roadway geometry. We'll double click on it, brings up our dialog box here. We can define what our weir elevation is. Now it automatically figured out my weir elevation by what it crossed here. So I can override it by coming in and pick, but it's read our terrain surface to figure that out. I can measure what my weir roadway length is, so I can come in there, draw kind of an alignment through there, and it's gonna measure that. What's our width in the direction of flow? We can measure that out as well. And then what is our weir coefficient? We can just look that up, right? It's easy enough to go and select that for metric units. And then we want to go and define what kind of surface we've got. And then we're going to go and put in our culvert. And we can specify, what kind of shape culvert do we have, what kind of materials is it made out of, what's its entrance looking at, how many barrels do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 culvert barrels, so I'll bump that up to 3, right? And then our culvert barrel length, I'm going to go and measure that. And so the end of the pipe starts here and goes over to here. Say done, and I've got my length of my barrel, and I'm good to go, and I can start running it, right?